KitKat doing a new promotion where you can win Joe the Mug by entering the code inside of the packets.
Win what?
Joe the Mug.
Make sure you get the
Cookies and cream.
right packets. All these are
Normal.
it's only cookies and cream.
Yeah, but
These
not all cookies and cream. Only some cookies and cream.
I like this flavour best.
I like this flavour the best.
Dark chocolate. So what do you win?
Joe the Mug.
Make sure you get a packet with a Joe the Mug on it. And they're cheap. It's £1. Down from £2 in Morrison's. So we're going to win lots of mugs. Put them in. Joe the Mug. Win one, easy. 50,000.
Now I'm going to enter the first code to see if we win Joe the Mug. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. We're gonna win it. We're gonna win. This is a lucky code. It's gonna win Joe. And the first time, we're gonna win. Now we're gonna collect all the mugs. We'll have a full collection of Joe the Mugs. Now win it. And so you write your first name, you write the code, you write your last name, you write your email address, and you write re-enter the email address. And then you press submit. Well, then you press X, obviously. And then you press submit. We won! We won! Wait. Yay! We won the Joe! Well, let's see which one we got. Wait, which one did we get? Brainy Joe. Wait, which one did we get?
You have to choose.
Please. I really want the original one. The brainy one just looks weird. Joe, come on. Oh, Glam Joe. Dapper Joe. I like Dreamy Joe, please. Oh, Chatty Joe. Not Cheeky Joe. Original Joe, please. I really want Original Joe. Yay! Original Joe. Original Joe. Joe is on its way. Joe's on its way! Ooh, Joe. We've only entered one code and we've already won a mug, so it's a very easy competition to win. And I am going to collect all of the Joes.